So what it is a tonada? Tonada is a form of vernacular music. Now, if you go to Spain and you're walking down the street in Spain and you say tonada, a Spanish person will look at you and say, what you're saying is it's just a song for solo voice. However, in South America, especially Chile and Argentina, a tonada is not just a song for solo voice. It's also it's a vernacular form of song, usually performed with a voice and guitar in the countryside of these countries, not in the big urban centers. And it's usually about love.
En una montaña oscura, a donde no habita gente. En una montaña oscura, a donde no habita gente. De una puñalada me matan, si yo volviera a quererte. De una puñalada me mata, si yo volviera a quererte.
So let's talk a little bit about a creative life in music. And I wish that someone would have talked about this when I was a little bit younger. I would love for you to think about what other talents, what additional talents and skills do you naturally have or have you developed that you could potentially combine with a singing or musical career to craft a very personal, unique career that fits with you.
There's a lot of stress in choosing, your audition solo, or, oh, what do I think they want me to, or what do I think they want to hear, or what do I think is what most fits the group that I'm auditioning for. But truly, when we audition for, we see so many people. The people that stand out are the people that choose something they feel comfortable something they feel comfortable singing, and something that they are proud to share with us. And that's really what shines through, because in the end, we're just a bunch of people that love to sing together. So if you love what you're singing, it could be literally anything under the sun. We don't care, as long as you think that, oh, I sound boss on this song, and I'm going to walk into that room and kill it. Then that's what we love to see. So I think when it comes to auditioning, that's just really what matters, is like coming to the room, putting a smile on your face and loving what you're singing, and that will translate. So I just wanted to add that too.
Because I'm all about the bass, no treble. I'm all about the bass, no treble. I'm all about the bass, no treble. I'm all about the bass. Yeah, it's pretty clear, I ain't no size 2, but I can shake it like I'm supposed to do. I got that boom boom that all the boys chase, and all the right junk in all the right places. I seen the magazines working that Photoshop. You know that ain't real. Come on, now make it stop. If you got beauty, just raise it up. 'Cause every inch of you is perfect from the bottom